friends, welcome to Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. This channel covers food recipes, fitness and lifestyle. Under lifestyle, I do product review, skincare and etc. So guess what I'll be unboxing today on lifestyle? Can you guess? I got it on my birthday. Something that will help me shoot videos well, something that will give me clearer picture. Can you guess what that is? Guess in the comment section. Let me see if you will get it. Well, without further ado, I'm unboxing this. I got this on my birthday. So this is RGB LED soft ring lights MJ56. And then these are the features: 360 rotating pan tilt, free adjustment of light compensation angle to meet all kinds of light compensation needs, upgrade anti-kids mobiles, non-slip silicone pad design, stable security, can be used for mobile phone, sound cards, mobile phone charging threshold, karaoke microphone and other equipment, soft light, eye protection, no stroboscopic and glare, no dry eyes and astringent eyes in long-term live broadcast, bright muzzle light, ambulatory adjustment to meet the needs of light supplements. And then it came with a tray stand. So I'm going to be showing you what it contains. Also came with it. These are the legs or the stand. I've not used it before, so bear with me. Okay, I've gotten it. So this is where you adjust the legs. Okay, and then this is where you place the ring light, and then this is where you adjust the length. This is 25 inches long, or 25 inches ring light, 25 inches ring light. And then we can also adjust this place as well. You see, so it can go so tall. Can you see how tall it can go? So this is adjustable. And this place is also adjustable. So this is the ring light, and you can fix this here. So this is adjustable. So let me light it so that you can see it. Okay, so we adjust this here, so it can stay like this, and it can also go like this. Okay, so you can turn. That's why it is 360. You can turn anywhere. And then we have this place here. I'll show you what to put here. These 3 places, and these are the knobs for adjusting. Okay. So it came with 3. So this is how it came. I've already locked these ones. Okay, I'll just show you how to. Let me just lock it. So once you've locked it, you have a screw. You just on it like this. So this is how it comes. So you open this so that this can go in, and then you can lock it like this. And then you have this just like the others. So these are adjustables. They are adjustable, so you can adjust like this, like this, like this. Okay. And it has a remote and a cord to plug to lights. So let's put it on. And I think you can use you can use it with a power bank, because it has the back has it has this at the back. So I think you can use a power bank for it. So the power is 80 watts, the size 56 cm, AC 100 to 245 volts. So let's plug it to lights. Wow. So we have the knobs here. They are both on and off, but I think they are used for different. Okay, this one can change the colors. All right, so we can also use the remote. So let's try the remote. We have the on and off, then this place for it to blink. This middle. Then I think you can also change the lights, the color here. I think I like this color. What do you think? Anyway, it depends on what you are shooting. So that is all for the ring lights. So if you know how to use the ring lights, you can, if you have a video on it, you can drop the link to that video on the comment section below so that I can learn. I'm still a newbie in terms of ring light. I don't know how to position it. I'm going to be learning that. So if you have any suggestion how I can make good use of it, please leave it in the comment section. But don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel for more lifestyle videos like this. I'll see you again in another video.